In today's post-pandemic America, there are certain things we are definitely doing today more than ever before, and that includes, of course, working from home, but also working out from home. In fact, listen to this, the number of people wanting to either get a home gym or improve on your existing one has literally skyrocketed for obvious reasons. But if you're like me, you may have asked yourself, can I even get a good, enjoyable workout from home? And do I have enough space? All great questions, and here to give us a really great answers is former Denver Broncos cheerleader, professional dancer, iFIT trainer, and brand new mom, Kelsey Sheahan. I'm exhausted just explaining all that.
Oh my gosh, I'm like, you're making me sound so good.
You are, you look amazing.
Thank you, you're too kind to me.
So my dear, the home fitness revolution, it's not a fluke, is it? It really is a real thing.
Absolutely.
Why do you think that is?
Because it's so convenient. You can literally work out any time that works for your schedule, which probably means you're gonna actually do it versus all of the effort that it takes to go to the gym.
At the same time, there is some value to the gym as far as even social and getting out sometimes. So there's no need to even have one or the other. You can have both, right?
Absolutely. There's definitely space for both.
When you're thinking of a home gym, you probably want to kind of put it in the same frame of mind as the gym, where
Absolutely.
you're gonna have some cardio, some weights, maybe some stretching. So let's start with the cardio. What is this?
Yeah. So I love this. This is our S22 iBike. And what I think is so great about the bike is it's smaller, so it's great if you only have minimal space.
Awesome.
Another feature that I absolutely think is fabulous is our interactive technology. So say you're in the dead of winter and you're just craving being on the beach, well, we got you.
What? Okay.
Because of our interactive technology, we can now work out in places all over the world. And the beauty of it is, with the bike and all of our equipment, we have smart features, so you know,
personalize it for your goals.
Absolutely.
And this is a rowing machine, obviously.
Correct.
Let me ask you a question. Is the rowing machine generally one of the newer trends in home cardio fitness?
Yes, absolutely. This is the RW900, and the misconception is, oh, I'm just gonna work my upper body. That's an additional bonus, but if you're doing the rower right, your legs should be smoked, and it's an amazing full body exercise.
Can't wait to try it.
Yeah, well, let's go.
All right.
You look strong. I feel like you got a little bit more power than you're showing, so let's really go. Reach those arms forward and then start to drive with the legs. Legs, core, arms. Reach forward, arms, core, legs. So this is like the creme de la creme of treadmills. As you can tell, it's absolutely beautiful.
Keep talking.
This is the NordicTrack 2450, and I'm gonna just hop on so you can really. I'm like, I can talk about it, but you really have to experience it. So the coolest thing about this, again, is you have outstanding pieces of equipment mixed with outstanding fitness trainers that are going to take you all over
around the world. Look at this
workouts.
video. If you guys can see this, you will see it. Look at this beautiful beach.
It's absolutely beautiful. As you notice, this treadmill goes up to 12 miles per hour as well as a level 12 on an incline and a -3 on a decline. Now, one thing that is, in my opinion, the NordicTrack cushioning technology is hands down exceptional.
It's phenomenal. And actually, because I've been a runner for so long and I've used so many treadmills, I can immediately feel the cushion. I've heard through the grapevine that it also folds.
All you have to do is fold it up. You can roll it to kind of get it out of the way. So it's a really strong, sturdy piece of equipment, but it's also movable.
Let me talk about you iFIT trainers. You are some of the best trainers in the world. You cannot get any better than that. Okay, so the iFIT program also, I noticed, has weights and stretching. What are these amazing weights? How do you use these?
And these are actually called Select-A-Weights. To move these, you just pull up on this little lever. Say you want to lift 10 pounds.
And there you are.
We are here to provide a super well-rounded routine. So our goal is to constantly keep you motivated and engaged. So we're just here kind of like your #1 cheerleader cheering you on along the way.
Kelsey, thank you so much. Where can we hear more about this system?
Yep, just check out NordicTrack.com.
And of course, you can go to designingspaces.tv. All right, cheerleader, show me a cheer.
All right, ready?
Yes.
It's been too long.